In today's video, you will go through how to install CJ's Google Chrome extension for sourcing. This plugin from CJ can help you to post sourcing requests from Alibaba or Taobao directly. You can go to the Chrome Web Store and search for CJ Dropshipping, or click Source More, go to Alibaba, go to Taobao, go to AliExpress on CJ's homepage to install the plugin. After logging in your CJ ID, you can click Go to Alibaba, go to Taobao, go to AliExpress to hunt for products. Taking pet toys as an example, enter the keyword and choose one item. Click Post sourcing request to CJ on sidebar. Confirm. Then, CJ will receive your sourcing request on such a pet board and will look for the supplies for you. You can go back to CJ's sourcing page to check the status of your request. Usually, we will finish the sourcing within 48 working hours. When the status shows sourcing succeed, you can click SKU to the product page directly.